Welcome back to Math 171 for Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to talk about the idea of an inverse function and then how to verify it. So, you've seen before the whole thing of if I add 5 to a number, we can subtract 5 from that number and get right back to where we started. Now this is the idea of an additive inverse. It says that we can add the negative of a number and get back to where we started. Same thing with 4x. I can divide that by 4 and get back to where I started. This is what we call the multiplicative inverse. Oh, that one's a little bit more unclear. Would been a little more clear if instead of dividing by 4, I multiplied by 1/4. Because now we're saying if I multiply by a certain number, I can undo multiplication. Well, function inverses are the same thing. So we say that f and g are inverses if for all x in the domain of f and g, f of g of x equals x, and then g of f of x equals x. And we can check to see if two functions are inverses of each other. So if f of x equals 3x plus 2, and then g of x equals x minus 2 over 3. So first I'll do f of g of x. So that's f of x minus 2 over 3, which equals 3 times x minus 2 over 3 plus 2. The 3's cancel. And I get x minus 2 plus 2, or x. So it works there. And then g of f of x, so g of 3x plus 2. So I get 3x plus 2 minus 2 all over 3. Well, that's equal to 3x over 3. 3's cancel, and that's equal to x. So that is how we can verify that functions are inverses of each other. And in the next video, we're going to talk about how we can actually find the inverse of a function.